military, man. Hold up. Let's take a look.
It's been too long, you've been gone. Now you emerge on the scene like it ain't nothing to a boss. But what's the loss to an overachiever who don't believe in having dreams? I hear them talking loud. Let's shut them down. Ooh, I bet we won't hear them sound.
I don't really get the concept of competing with those who can't even get in a contest. Talks of me taking any loss was far-fetched, but I promise that the losses I took were God blessed. Rapping religion is common in conversation. I respond that the money is non-denomination. Half of my hustle day is doing negotiations. The other half of my day is for getting the compensation. Quitting your recreation, quit the improvisation. Rappers is really actors, tell me if I'm mistaken. Realness is a minority, fakeness is a majority. God looked at the world and then after that he imported me. Don't get to talking about Cooper like you employing G. You the employee who act like he got authority. Your royalty, when you show him you're getting royalties. Usually side switches who always talking about loyalty. What's the difference between an artist and a borrower? Same difference between a model and Sakara. Baby monitors, y'all was listening to Naughty by Nature and wearing Nautica. I was taking what's mine like an Indian giving auditor. We ain't the same, I'm coming for every dollar you're sweeping under the rug. The carpet is what I'm calling for. Read about me, I check them in every article. Put the heat on his wax and light it up like it's Hanukkah. Yeah, you can ask around on the street. They gon' say I'm a hustler like Cassidy on the beat. Half of these rappers sweet, put a cavity on your teeth when I'm making. That you got is the browser you use to speak. Only voice that you got is the characters in the tweet. Kill it and log off, you ignorant non-boss. Pick up what y'all lost, let's get it at all costs. People like y'all go whenever the car starts, but you ain't never the driver, you stop when the car parks. Making you boys nervous, I'm murdering more verses. The reason for more hearses, I'm sending your car service. They say they need more verbiage, but talking is all worthless. Cause you don't need more verses, you really need more purpose.
It's been too long, you've been gone. Now you emerge on the scene like it ain't nothing to a boss. But what's the loss to an overachiever who don't believe in